Hello, Future Millionaire. I wonder if you know what this place is. For those people who watch my videos since few years, you probably recognize those buildings. Let me turn it around. Hello. So this place is Sunland's headquarters, and I used to live nearby, and I used to investigate this business. I was investing in the company, but I no longer is an investor, so that's a different story. Now, this is the location where I made a bold prediction in the past, talking about one day in a few years' time, you're going to be able to use one Bitcoin Cash to buy one apartment in here. Any of those. So those apartments current going rate is about $500,000, and Bitcoin Cash hasn't reached $500,000 yet, but we'll get there. However, when I made those predictions back then, Bitcoin Cash was trading around $300, $400. So, and it's before the split as well. So it can be quite interesting to see how things evolve since last 3 years. And at least whoever bought into Bitcoin Cash last 3 years have seen anywhere between 3-folding to 10-folding of your asset. And compared to those houses behind us, those apartments, they have gone up between 15 to 20% in value. So those who put their money into Bitcoin Cash in the last 3 years would have made much more progress financially than investing in those properties. Their utility is very simple: either live in or rent it out, generate a little bit of cash flow. That's what this asset class is for. However, Bitcoin Cash is a completely different asset. Bitcoin Cash will give you the opportunity to create NFT, doing smart contracts, and transfer value over the internet without permission instantaneously at any size and with very low fee. That is a completely different ballgame. And last but not least, there's one fact about Bitcoin Cash we keep forgetting about it, is that we all in the world sharing one network. The Bitcoin Cash network has 21 million coins, but apartment-wise, look at those. There are far more than 21 million apartments in the world. So you do the math. Would you really want to just buy an apartment when this thing goes to $500,000? Or would you want to do something else with the money? Think about it. All right? Now, enjoy the view. Is there any fish jumping for me? No? Usually the fish jump here. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.